Your iPhone camera is shaking uncontrollably. Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix that shaky camera on your iPhone. Let's dive right into these simple solutions together and get your camera steady again. Before anything else, check for hardware issues. First, let's make sure it's not a hardware issue. Here is how. Open the App Store. Now type in "Check My Device" and install that app. After that, tap on Open. Scroll down and find the camera settings. Open this up, then check if your camera still shakes or not. If it's still shaking, it likely means a hardware issue, but don't worry, you can still try the following methods to see if they help. Solution 1. Enable lens correction. First, open your Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Camera. After that, scroll down and find the lens correction option. Now enable it if it isn't already. This setting helps your iPhone camera perform better. Solution 2. Force close the camera app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to bring up the app switcher. Next, find the camera app and swipe up to force close it. After that, reopen the camera app and check if it's working properly. Then restart your iPhone to ensure any temporary issues are resolved. Solution 3. Disable low power mode. First, open Settings. Then, tap on Battery. Now turn off low power mode. Low power mode can impact camera performance, so after disabling it, check to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, see if the camera is more stable. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Your settings will be reset, but don't worry, your data will stay safe. Now check if your camera is steady. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the previous solutions work, it could be a more serious hardware issue. Then it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance and possible repairs. And there you have it. Those are the ways to fix a shaky camera on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Got questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.